Hi everyone, welcome back to SQL. Today we are going to learn about parameterization in TestNG. Parameterization lets you run the same test, different input values. This is useful when you want to test your code with a variety of inputs without writing separate test method for each one. So let's begin. First, we will initialize the Chrome driver at the rate parameters and enter the parameter name here. Change to parameters and add at the rate before test annotation, and then initialize the Chrome driver. Driver is equal to new Chrome driver. After initialize this Chrome driver, we will navigate to the URL driver.get string and initialize string here, string URL. Now we will add another test for login page. In this page, we need to enter two values. One is username and second is password. Let's add another test case at the rate test annotation and add the rate parameters annotation. In the round brackets, we will enter the username and password. Username and second is password in double quote. Same for password. Now we will add method for login page. Public void sign in enter string username and second is password. String password. Now we need to enter the values in username and password. Right click on username field. Here we can locate this element by name and ID. Both are available. Copy this ID. Driver.find element by .id dot send keys. Here enter the username, which is username. Same for password. Copy this line. First we will enter the username and then password and then click on the submit button. Driver.find element by .id dot click, because we want to click on submit button. Copy ID is equal to password. Paste here. For username ID is equal to username. First we will enter the username, then enter password field and then click on submit button. For submit button, here ID is available, which is submit. Copy this ID and paste here. After login, we will get the title. Add In other test case, add method public void get title. String get title is equal to driver dot get title, and then we will print the title in console. Get title. Now we will add the parameter value in TestNG.xml. Open TestNG.xml file and add parameter inside the test name. Parameter, here we will enter the parameter name. First parameter name is URL. Enter parameter name is equal to URL, and then URL is copy this URL and add in value. Adding the parameter for URL, same we need to add for username and password. Add parameter. First parameter is username. First parameter is username and second is username and password. User name, and username is equal to student. Copy this and paste in value. Now we will add for password. Password and password is password 123. Enter value here. After adding this parameter value, we need to include inside the method. Inside the class add methods. Inside the method add include, in which we enter the method's name. First method name is, here you can view the first method name is equal to setup. And second method name is sign in. Upload. Enter the second method name is sign in. Control S to save this file testng.xml. And third method is get title. Include get title. Parameters name and method name have been added. Here we need to change the value from username to password, and same change the value here, correct the spelling password. Control S to save this file testng.xml. Let's run this script. Right click on testng.xml, run as testng show. Controller is opening. First navigate to this URL and enter the username and password, and then click on submit button. Login successfully. In console, you can view login successfully title also get, because we add driver dot get title. In parameterization, you can easily change the value. For example, you want to change the username and password or URL. You can easily change value here in testng.xml. If you like this content, please subscribe to us. Thanks for watching.